Welcome to PROCAD's 3D Smart Component Designer tutorials. Watch the entire video or use the on-screen table of contents to skip to a specific topic. Module 1, Component Information, covers the following topics: manufacturer data and AutoCAD 3D models. For these tutorials, the new component was created using the English unit system, feet and inches. All PROCAD software supports both English and metric units. The first topic in Module 1 is manufacturer data. When creating a new component, in our case for this tutorial, we'll create a flange cover. We first need to search out and find information about that component. Typically dimensional data as shown in this sample, courtesy of caps and plugs. We see the visual of the graphic as well as some of the dimensional data that is required. Key things here are the inside diameter, the outside diameter, and then the thickness of the component. As this part will fit onto an existing flange, we can utilize some of that information. More than one website can be used, but we're going to look at using this as our base data. The last topic in Module 1 is the AutoCAD 3D models. So once we've gathered our information about our component, we'll go into the 3D modeler and take a look at how we would draw the component. There are a couple options. Option 1 is using the extrusions, whereby we just take two circles and extrude them and then use the subtract tool. These are basic AutoCAD functions. And let's take a quick look at what we would do with this one. And it's nothing more than our two solids created by circles, and then we'd use our subtract command to create our shape as shown here. So it's just physically two circles extruded, one being the inside diameter, one being the outside diameter. And the extrusions would be the flange thickness minus the thickness of the component. The second method would be to use regions or 2D closed polyline shapes and using the revolve tool. Basically draw the profile, the 2D profile, again using the data from our manufacturer, create the profile, and then we'd use the revolve tool in AutoCAD to revolve that shape. And we would revolve it a full 360 degrees to create the shape. The best option for creating our component would be option 1. And to take a look at what it would look like, got a little flange in here, and there is the cover sitting on top of the flange. It is best to take the easiest method to create the shapes, as it is less time consuming within the component designer metadata. This concludes the topics covered in Module 1. Please review Module 1 or select the next module.